And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Clouds hanging around today in most areas, a little thinner in parts of Starr County, but enough clouds around again on Friday to keep temperatures down again. Probably looking at highs close to 70, give or take a little bit, but maybe a sprinkle or two later tomorrow afternoon if the clouds are able to thicken enough. Better chance of rain, though, coming later Saturday. Still kind of highlighting mostly Saturday, late afternoon, evening, nighttime hours for the better chance of rain, and maybe a couple thunderstorms rolling through. So it may not rain all day Saturday, but it could rain kind of hard when it does rain later Saturday evening. So keep an eye on Saturday and Saturday night if you have plans. Right now it's 69 in Weslaco, 77 though, where again the clouds a little thinner in Starr County and Rio Grande City, 67 in Port Isabel and 68 in Brownsville. Now the winds switched around from southeast to north yesterday when the front passed, and still kind of north and northeast today. Not really too gusty, but a little breeze from the north and northeast, about 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that's brought down the humidity. It's brought down temperatures, helped to bring in some clouds, and it looks like that will be the trend again tomorrow. So this evening, if you have plans, just a lot of clouds around, relatively high though, too high to cause any rain. So just kind of mid to high level cloudiness and temperatures falling gradually through the 60s this evening. Should fall into the mid to upper 50s in many areas late tonight. May stay closer to 60 near the coast, but a somewhat cool night again. And your day planner tomorrow, temperatures go from the upper 50s to near 60 in the morning, only to about the upper 60s and low 70s in the afternoon. And again, it should stay dry in most areas all day tomorrow, but a couple sprinkles may try to pop up later in the afternoon and evening as the moisture increases, but very little, if any, rainfall across the valley tomorrow. You see a lot of clouds on the satellite radar. The thicker clouds mostly just to the south, and they do thin out some in Starr County and just north of the valley. So you see over the last couple of hours, there are some holes in the clouds, especially off to the northwest. But the rain staying to the south, and if you look down there, some light rain and drizzle down to the south of the valley is mostly going to sit down there tonight and tomorrow, but could get forced northward with more rain forming by Saturday. Future track shows this too. If you look at 6 p.m. this evening, clouds around, clouds thickened a little more later tonight. It's still rather cool tonight compared to most nights lately, but down in the 50s and lower 60s overnight. And then tomorrow you see gray skies all day, just gray, gray, gray through the daytime hours, and indicates a lot of clouds. And again, if the clouds thicken up enough, there might be a little sprinkle there, but very little, if any, rain. Tomorrow night, things look pretty dry, maybe a sprinkle, but Saturday's a day when the rain may be close by. We'll have to see when it's able to get in here. Saturday may start off kind of just cloudy and dry, but at some point in the afternoon and evening, you see there's a lot of rain on the map nearby with a storm system approaching from the west and the upper levels. It could force some rain and occasionally some thunderstorms in the parts of the valley by evening and Saturday night. So there's midnight on Saturday night, shows rain across the area and even some heavier rain nearby. So keep an eye again on Saturday and Saturday night for the best chance for rain. The disturbance will be moving across the area Sunday morning, so some rain is still possible Sunday morning before it does move out in the afternoon. But rain chances 20% tomorrow, but very little, if any, rain. And then Saturday going into Saturday night and Sunday morning is when things could get more active with some heavier rain and more widespread rain. So rain chances at 70% on Saturday. First Warn 5 7-day forecast, highs near 70 tomorrow, maybe a couple degrees warmer on Saturday, but the clouds and the rain may keep temperatures down. Remember, best chance of rain or a thunderstorm later in the afternoon Saturday, Saturday night, and the early Sunday morning. We could see the sun break through later Sunday afternoon with highs near 80, and then warmer Monday. Another cold front, models a little up in the air whether the strength of it will be enough to do a lot, but it could approach the area Tuesday and Wednesday and may kind of stall out near us with a couple showers around, and temperatures, though, still mostly in the 80s next week. But best rain chances continue to be on Saturday, and we'll keep tracking them in your First Warn 5 forecast. Carrie?